Hello friends, good afternoon. This is Anant Joshi from Department of Mechanical Engineering, Government Polytechnic Ahmednagar. Today we have to discuss the different refrigeration systems. Before starting to this video, all should know the learning outcomes of this video. First learning outcome is to able to define the refrigeration system. Second, identifies different components of refrigeration system, and the third is differentiate between the vapor compression cycle and vapor absorption cycle. So now we have to define the refrigeration. Basically there are different definitions of refrigeration. From that we have taken three definitions. First definition is to maintain the temperature below than the atmospheric temperature. It means that refrigeration is a process to maintain the temperature of a space below than the atmospheric temperature. Second definition is it is simply a art of cooling, and the last definition is the removal of heat from the substance to be cooled. Now it is time to think and reflect. Pause the video and write down the answers of the question, what is the need of refrigeration? Now play the video and get the answers. These are the needs of the refrigeration system. So first need is to keep the food cold and fresh with the help of refrigeration. So in open atmosphere, by some time the bacteria are developing and growing inside the foods. So it is studied that at certain low temperature the growth of bacteria can be reduced. Second need of the refrigeration is to store the medicines, tissues and various organisms. Third need of the refrigeration is to maintain the human comfort in vehicles, industries and various public places such as cinema halls, hospitals, banks and various offices. And the last but not the least application of refrigeration is chemical and process industries. In chemical industries there are some petrochemical industries, pharmaceutical industries, and in process industries there are textile industries, paper milk industries, etc. Now we have to study the working principle of refrigeration. So the refrigeration is work on the second law of thermodynamics. As all of you know, the second law of thermodynamics has two statements. One is the Kelvin-Planck statement and another is the Clausius statement. The refrigeration is based on the Clausius statement. That is, heat cannot be flow from low temperature to high temperature without application of any external work. Here is the block diagram for the study of working principle of refrigeration. Here it is the low temperature reservoir and heat is transferred from this low temperature reservoir to this high temperature reservoir. So as per the second law of thermodynamics, it is impossible to transfer the heat from this low temperature reservoir to high temperature reservoir without the application of this external work. This is the refrigerator which absorbs heat from this low temperature reservoir, and reject that heat to this high temperature reservoir. These are the different types of refrigeration system. There are basically two types of refrigeration system. First is the vapor compression refrigeration cycle, which uses the compressor, and that compressor is driven by mechanical energy. And the second important refrigeration system is vapor absorption refrigeration system, that uses the thermal energy. So this is the block diagram for simple vapor compression refrigeration cycle. It includes the four components, that is, this is compressor. From that compressor the refrigerant is given to this condenser. Condenser is heat rejecting element. Then this refrigerant is given to this expansion valve, and expansion valve to this evaporator. The four principal components of the vapor compression cycle are compressor, it is used for compression process. Then condenser, it is used for condensation. The expansion valve, it is used for expansion, and the evaporator, it is used in evaporation. Next type of refrigeration system is vapor absorption refrigeration system. This is the systematic diagram for vapor absorption refrigeration system. In that, only the compressor of the vapor compression cycle, previously vapor compression cycle, the compressor of that system, it is replaced by this generator absorber assembly, and the remaining parts such as condenser, then evaporator, and then expansion valve are same, but only the compressor is replaced by the generator and absorber assembly. These are some applications of the refrigeration system. In that, this is the domestic refrigerator. As we know that the domestic refrigerator is used for storing the food, making the domestic ice, keeping the medicines, etc. Second is the air conditioner. This is nothing but window air conditioner. So this type of air conditioner, it is used in domestic purpose. And the last is the water cooler. This water cooler is used in summer season for making the cold water for drinking purpose. So thank you for watching this video.